Welcome to our lesson on multiplying fractions by whole numbers. All right, how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. First, you turn the whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. So, for example, if I had 2 and I wanted to make this rewrite this as a fraction, I would just write it as 2 over 1. That does not change the value. The next step would be to multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. And then if necessary, you can change the improper fraction to a mixed number. So let's look at our example here. We have 2/5 times 3. So to make this 3 a fraction, I would just write it over 1. And now I'm ready to multiply my numerators. 2 times 3 equals 6. 5 times 1 equals 5. So I have 6/5. If I wanted to rewrite this as a mixed number, I know 5 will go into 6 one time. 1 times 5 equals 5. And that would leave me with a remainder of 1. So to write this as a mixed number, my 1 becomes my whole number, my remainder becomes my numerator, and my denominator stays the same. So it could also be written as 1 1/5. All right, let's practice. We have 4/9 times 5. So I need to rewrite this 5 as a fraction by just putting it over 1. And now I'm ready to multiply. 4 times 5 equals 20. 9 times 1 equals 9. Now let's rewrite this as a mixed number. 9 will go into 20 2 times. 2 times 9 equals 18. 20 minus 18 equals 2. So it could also be written as 2 2/9. Okay? Let's look at the next one, 4/9 times 4. I need to rewrite my 4 as a fraction by writing it over 1. And now I can multiply. 4 times 4 equals 16. 9 times 1 equals 9. And to rewrite this as a mixed number, I would do 9 will go into 16 one time. 1 times 9 equals 9. And then when I subtract 16 minus 9, I get a remainder of 7. So I could also rewrite this as 1 7/9. All right, we have 5/8 times 3. So we need to rewrite 3 as a fraction by putting it over 1. 5 times 3 equals 15. 8 times 1 equals 8. To rewrite this as a mixed number, we need to divide here. 8 will go into 15 one time. 1 times 8 equals 8. Subtract 15 minus 8 and you get a remainder of 7. So I could also write it as 1 7/8. All right, let's try one more. We have 6/10 times 2. We need to rewrite our 2 over 1 so that we're ready to multiply. 6 times 2 equals 12. 10 times 1 equals 10. Now, we can divide so that we can rewrite it as a mixed number. 10 will go into 12 one time. 1 times 10 equals 10. Subtract. So our answer is 1 2/10. This concludes our lesson on multiplying fractions by whole numbers.